Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog foods for Great Pyrenees that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Diamond Naturals Large Breed Puppy Real Lamb Recipe Premium Dry Dog Food. This budget-friendly Diamond Naturals Large Breed Puppy formula uses real lamb meal, and fish meal as primary protein sources. Your Pyrenees puppy's protein needs are met with this kibble for strong and lean muscle growth. It also features easy-to-digest grains, such as whole grain brown rice, cracked pearled barley, and grain sorghum. It lists real fruits and vegetables, including kale, pumpkin, spinach, carrots, oranges, coconut, papaya, and more. All of these are high in vitamins and antioxidants. This formula includes probiotic strain cultures, flaxseed, chia seeds, salmon oil, and dried chicory root. All these ingredients help ensure your pup's digestive tract and joints are healthy. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wellness Core Puppy Dry Dog Food. This Wellness Core Large Breed Puppy Grain-Free recipe lists deboned chicken, chicken meal, and turkey meal in the first 5 ingredients. This provides your puppy's large muscle mass with a high amount of protein. Your pup will also get plenty of glucosamine for his growing joints. Healthy fibers such as lentils and sweet potatoes provide energy through slow-burning carbohydrates. The calcium and phosphorus ratio supports healthy bone growth. Reviewers loved how their pup's coat was healthy and shiny thanks to the flaxseed and salmon oil. These ingredients also provide DHA for brain development and eye function. This recipe also has a wide variety of superfoods that support the developing immune system with vitamins and minerals such as carrots, apples, blueberries, spinach, and kale, to name just a few. At number 3, we have the Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula Large Breed Puppy Dry Dog Food. This Blue Buffalo Wilderness Large Breed Puppy Kibble provides a high protein content with deboned chicken, chicken meal, and salmon meal. These ingredients all provide a big, meaty taste that dogs love and ensure large pups grow steadily. The calcium and phosphorus ratios are correct for large dogs. Additional ingredients such as oatmeal and barley provide energy, and dried kelp helps ensure that his bones and teeth are strong. His body receives vitamins in the form of Life Source Bits, which are Blue Buffalo's proprietary blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It also includes wholesome fruits and veggies, egg products, and fish oil, ensuring that his cognitive and eye function develops as they should. This recipe is high in fiber, which is great for those with an irregular digestive system or loose stools. Reviewers commented on how this recipe soothed sensitive skin and stomach problems after switching to this kibble. At number 2, we have the Purina Pro Plan Large Breed Dry Puppy Food. Real chicken is the first ingredient in this Purina Pro Plan Large Breed Puppy recipe. This helps ensure that his large muscle mass will develop as it should, as well as provide a meaty taste and other nutrients that his body needs. Fish oil and egg products are also listed, which provide those all-important DHA ingredients. With biotin and folic acid, his coat is also healthy. It has a higher moisture content than most kibbles, which some dogs find easier to chew. The kibble size is also slightly larger, which is good news for a big breed like the Pyrenees. And finally, at number 1, we have the ORIJEN Puppy Large Dry Dog Food. The first 10 ingredients in this ORIJEN grain-free large breed puppy recipe are high-quality proteins that follow a biologically appropriate diet. This means that the meat, organs, and cartilage are all included. This food is very nutritious, but super tasty. In addition to the high-quality protein ingredients, wholesome vegetables and fruits such as pumpkin, collard greens, carrots, and apples provide your pup with the antioxidants he needs to stay healthy. It is fortified with prebiotics and probiotics, taurine and omega-3 fatty acids, and contains no added soy, corn, tapioca, or wheat ingredients. The kibble is also a slightly larger size, which, again, is great for a breed that's the size of a Pyrenees. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.